Birds that flock to fires. Some wildlife thrives in burned-out forests. By Sneed Collard III. A wildfire rages along the border of Montana and Idaho. The fire burns hot. It leaves behind a charred landscape of dead, blackened pine, fir, and larch trees. It looks as if nothing will ever grow in this place again. Within days, however, some of the trees begin to sprout new needles. Shrubs and flowers push new growth up from the blackened earth. Then, a special animal shows up. It's a black-backed woodpecker, and it's been waiting for a fire just like this. Black-backed woodpeckers are medium-sized birds that live across Canada and in some parts of the northern and western United States. They look a lot like other woodpeckers, with long, sturdy beaks and black and white.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?